Boys, you're not gonna believe what I have here. Let's go. Oh yeah. Finally, I present to you the 6S Mini Maxx. Whoa! Make sure you guys stick around as we're going to be bashing this thing on 4 and 6S, so stay tuned. We are going to be ripping this thing today. Come check it out. Come look what we did to it besides the body armor. This thing is a wiring mess is what it is, and it's an electrician's worst nightmare. We got the new Cobra 10 from Castle in here. Handles up to 6S with a 3200 kV. Had to do a little bit of trimming on here. If you want to see exactly how I did everything, there's going to be links to the live stream down below where I totally built this thing on live. Has the Wide Max kit, has the Reese 422 HD servo. Look at that beaut. And we got the GTR shocks, and we got the new spider diffs in here as well. Let's see if this thing can handle on 6S. Make sure to stick around to see this thing rip on 6S. We're gonna start out with 3S, then we're gonna go to 4S, then we're gonna go to 6S. And don't worry, we're gonna be testing exactly how fast it goes. How fast do you think these things are gonna go, guys? Leave the comments down below before we start the ripping. Let's go. All right, guys, so to start out here, we have the China Hobbies 3S that we're gonna be sliding in here. Get her all zipped up and ready to go. Shout out this, the battery tray from Garage Life RC is gonna let us run the 6S in here today, but first we're going to start out with 3S, and then we're going to get our GPS mounted here. Let's hope that stays with some 3M tape. All right, guys, so let's rip this thing on 3S. 2, 3. She's quiet. Are we ready to see 3S? All right. We're gonna have to go test out just how fast it goes. All right, guys, we had to use the GoPro because our iPhones keep overheating out here in this Australia desert. So we're gonna be using the GoPro. Let's go. All right, let's get it. That's full blast. Oh, she's hauling booty. What do you guys think? I think about 45 or 50. What do you think, Cass?
I would say 40.
All right, come over here, guys. Let's see. Ready? Stop. Read. 51! Oh! 51 on 3S. That's pretty nice. But guess what, guys? We're going to 4S, so let's get that done. 4S is gonna be a little bit more insane. But I know you guys are looking forward to 6S. That's all you really came here for. Came here because you clicked on the thumbnail and saw 6S. What is that gonna do? So shout out to Ovonic here, running Ovonic 4S's on it. It's got 120C punch in this baby girl. 51 on 3. Where's my safety glasses? All right, here we go, boys. 4S. 4S, ready? My pinion just came off on 4S. My pinion came off on 4S. No! All right, we'll be right back. Currently working on the Mini Maxx here. It's like 1,000 degrees outside, and we're at our speed run location, so we don't want to have to leave and go back home. 4S again. Oh my God. All right, how fast do we think this is gonna go, boys? I'm thinking 62. We gotta get the GNSS up here. Okay. Okay, she's way too rowdy. I can't get full blast yet. No! No!
Oh my God!
I think we're good. Oh my God. That was just a major crash, boys. Major crash, but guess what? She's still ready to go. Let's see. You see it just skirting?
That's insane.
No! 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 We're all good.
Here's the battery. Here's the...
We're all good. I think we're all good. The motor's not even hot.
Really?
Yeah, really. We lost a battery.
It's right here.
Oh, you found a battery.
I found it.
Oh, I was like, where'd the battery go? Let's go back and see how fast this thing got. I think 90% on that one, but it just wants to stand up. So I can't imagine what 6S about to do, boys. Let's get it. All right, on 4S, what do you think we got? I think 65, actually. What do you think?
I agree with 65.
Stop, read, 60.
Oh!
60, what'd I say, it's 62 originally?
Yep.
I guess it's time. I guess it's time. For 6S power, we're running the 6S Ulvonic here. Let's get this going. This is the moment y'all all been waiting for. A 6S Mini Maxington. All right, here we go. 1, 3. That was 6 beeps. Battery's kind of in there. Are we ready? Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, time for the 6S Max. How fast we think it's gonna do? If I can keep it straight, I'm gonna say 72. What do you think, Cassandra?
And if it goes, maybe 67.
I love it. Oh my God. All right, Castle System, let's go. No.
Oh. Oh.
Look how perfect it rolls.
Oh my God, it looks beautiful. Oh my God. It went all the way down there. I wonder if y'all can see him.
But it does run, guys. All y'all that said, oh, it's gonna explode. It ran right there. That was insane. I don't know, guys. I'm thinking 65 because I couldn't get it all the way to the floor.
I said 67.
All right, moment of truth. Stop, read. 63.
Oh!
That's not bad, but you know what else it can do? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! The GPS! What all flew off?
The tire! I don't even know where it is!
The tire! The tire! No! There it is, it's right there. Oh my gosh, the tire!
That was insane!
I honestly think we only broke a drive shaft.
Oh, really?
Yeah, unless the diff got exploded. I think we only broke a drive shaft on just holding it down. Oh my God. Oh, the hub got ripped out. The hub got ripped out, so I had to get a new hub. Dude, it shot. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad we didn't get hit by that. It shot the pin inside of the drive shaft through the hub.
Holy moly!
Yo, that's insane.
That's some crazy stuff.
All right, I gotta make sure my GPS still works.
Make sure you guys stick around as we're gonna be bashing this thing on 4 and 6S, so stay tuned.
All right, let's see if it works. 11, okay, yeah, we're good.
Wait, I kind of want to try now.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's a good 9.
I would say 6.
You'd say 6, stop, read. 15, baby.
Oh!
Wow.
I'm faster than you, punk!
Wow. All right, guys, that was the 6S Max. We're gonna rebuild it. Let's go bash. Let's get it.
Ski!
All right, guys, we got another hot one here in Texas, but today we're gonna be bashing our Mini Maxx, our 6S Mini Maxx out here in the place that you guys have been wanting to see for a while. We haven't been out here in a while, but it's open range today. You know, they say no RC cars, but look, absolutely nobody's here today, so I'm not even gonna be interrupting anybody's bicycle time. But we have our 6S Mini Maxx that you guys will see the speed run of, but we're gonna be bashing this on 4S today, keep the motor where it needs to be, and go see how many backflips we can rip with this baby girl. Let's get into it. So this is my Mini Maxx on 4S. We got the first little jump coming up here. 4S is running pretty good. Body flew off, but that was a good jump, man. I mean, We could probably go the whole course out here. I think it was like a quad. I'm not even sure what that was. Oh my God. That was insane. 4S Mini Maxx is working perfectly right now. But, you know, the body mounting systems with these suck. This is insane, boys. It's flipping just like I thought it would on 4S. We're gonna get another sin like that. Ooh, that was a nose shot. That was a nose shot. And it still took it. There we go. What do you guys say? On to the next jump? Let's go. All right, guys, you might remember this next jump, the big one that we always do here. We're gonna go send it off the black jump and see just how well it does. It just runs so smooth on these dips. These drop-in dips are amazing. One more and then we're gonna go to the big place. My God, the body delete mod though. The body coming off is a problem, but everything else is doing good. It survived so far, guys. Oh. Oh. Oh my God, there's a rope there. There was a big old root. I gotta avoid the stump. Oh. How did I make it through all the trees? Now we're in the trees. Now we're in the trees. Well, we made it through the trees. That was wonderful. This body is not gonna last long. I tell you what, this Turnigy battery is doing wonders for this thing though. It's got a humongous lip here. Hopefully it can clear that. I'm not really sure. No, it's not clearing that lip. We need dirt. What's the lip look like on this side? Yeah. She is rowdy. Oh my God, the body. I can see the body go flying from over there. This little thing is durable though. Woo! That was crazy. That was crazy. And it's taking that no problem. I hit a rock. Look at that big old rock falling. Hope y'all are enjoying 4S. Let's go put it on 6S and launch it again. All right, on 4S, this thing was an absolute monster. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Now we're gonna slap a 6S in here in a second. Motor's pretty toasty. ESC is like, warm, and it's like 100 degrees out here. This Cobra 10 is amazing. 3200 kV motor, pretty good as well. Let's put her on 6S now. Ovonic FPV battery. Let's get in here and go jump it. 6S Mini Maxx versus this jump right here. 6S Mini Maxx, boys. Oh my God. Let's just try it without the body real quick. Oh my God, I think I could do like 400 backflips. Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh, and it's still running, boys. No problem at all. Body absolutely will not stay on. But oh my God, this thing on 6S and it's surviving. Everybody said it'll break as soon as you turn it on. Oh my God, battery came out. But oh my God, battery came out. I think that's all. The tires were blowing up so big it rubbed on the body. Oh my God. All right. What do we say, boys? One more send on 6S? Oh, that was a nice little flip right there. All right, we're gonna just keep the body off of it. I might have to zip tie the body on or something. But I really just want to see what this thing can do in the air. Something just blew up. Something just blew up. What was that? Bro, this is insane. We are front wheel drive now. We broke an axle. That's all we broke. All right. 6S Mini Maxx is bulletproof how I built it besides axles. We're gonna have to get some metal axles for it. You already know who we're gonna have to call. What did you guys think? Did you enjoy that as much as me? I hope you did. We're gonna try to bash this some more, so stay tuned on the channel. Why are we all like that? Oh yeah, it literally pulled it straight out. So guys, the only thing that keeps breaking is the axle. As you can see here, the axle literally just snaps off in there, snaps off inside of there. So as soon as they make metal axles for the Wide Max, I gotta get that set because then this thing might be bulletproof. But so far, everything else held up perfectly. The diffs, the motor didn't even really get hot on 6S. ESC really did not get hot. So this new Cobra 10 is amazing. And shout out Castle for this beautiful design. And I really hope you guys enjoyed all of this. And make sure you subscribe to find more awesome videos of this Mini Maxx. We got a 6S Mini Maxx build. I've been waiting forever for this thing. I got almost all the parts, so come check it out. Starting with the power plant, we got the new Cobra 10 ESC that can handle 6S. I'm super excited to try this out from Castle. Along with that, we got the 3200 motor here, censored by the way. And then look at all these parts. Check out all these upgrades here. We got the Mini Maxx white kit, center drive shaft, new GTR shocks, new bulkheads, pretty much everything you need. Center diff upgrade here. And we got the plug and play diffs and some other little things with the new chassis. Guys, I'm so excited to be doing this build with you. And don't forget the Shaka Hobby support bumpers here as well. 3D printed myself a little Life of Ballen wheelie bar here. As you can see, hot off the press with all the little thingy things on here. I hope this Mini Maxx is going to turn out as well as I think it is on 6S. Just after fiddling around here with the Cobra 10 with how annoying that wire is. I'm going to have to cut off that little bitty tab right there. As you can see the little mark on that little tab, I have to cut that off so this bad boy can fit in here. All right, we got the brand new M2C bash bar here for my Mini Maxx, brace bar slash bash bar. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed, make it look beautiful. Now guys, I know you've been saying you wanted me to do some builds on some cars, so I'm actually gonna be going live to do the whole build on this car. So go check that out. I'll leave a link below if you miss it, but I'm actually gonna be going live pretty soon to do this. So let's go build this bad girl and see exactly how it does. And shout out East Texas Bash Kings and M2C Racing for joining the Life of Ballen memberships. If you wanna know all the perks that come with the membership, there is a link down below. Go check it out. But thank you so much, East Texas Bash Kings and M2C Racing, for subscribing.